Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import a CSV file into RStudio using the read.csv function. So let's get started. First of all, what we need to do is open the Excel and click File and Save as CSV file. So it is pretty easy. I will choose tutorial name, and right here you'll be able to see the comma delimited. So select the UTF. This is more universal for the different symbols. So now click Save, and basically I have the CSV file already in that directory. So that's why I get that error. But now open the RStudio and go and create new file. So I will click New R script. Then for the session, you'll need to set working directory. So click on the session, set working directory, choose directory, and choose the directory where your file is. So it is in the downloads. Click open. And now, as you can see, you did set a working directory. Now what we'll need to do is basically type this. Data, let's say data1. Now just copy my symbols, but I just going to type. Now right here, what we'll need to do is write the file name. So if I go to the downloads, right here, you will see the tutorial. So just use tutorial.csv and now enter a comma, header equals true, and add again sep equals okay. And now what we need to do is basically click enter and run this, and now this should be able to import your data. So as you can see, we did got the data right here, and basically if we click, we'll be able to see our data. It opens a new sheet for this. So that's how you import CSV file into RStudio using the function. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.